very warm welcome to the Sustainability Leaders Forum. It is just me here this morning, which does feel a bit strange, I must admit. But the good news is that we're not letting the COVID-19 pandemic stop us.
Hello. I promise you I am alone in my offices that I walked into. The world is having our conversation, but we're still the ones doing it every day.
That single word of change.
Don't underestimate the degree of influence and impact that you have inside of those businesses. Wherever you sit in the seniority chain,
the best companies embed sustainability in their business unit. The sense of this isn't just a standalone consultative function, this is business as usual. Our job is to use the amplitude of the COP moment to bring these private sector solutions and to collaborate very well with government.
Thank you, Dave. The effing fix it, action, collaboration.
Stern words from Mark Lewis there in that third quote about the reality of not acting fast enough around net zero.
There is a lot of talk within the group about how we will be looking at less centralised offices.
We did have a really great discussion and lots of contributions from all the attendees.
She said that was a fascinating insight into the role that our buildings can play in driving the UK's green recovery throughout this decade.
And that's a really historic opportunity to build a crescendo, as I call it, of momentum that we can all use to make real and lasting change happen. The biggest barrier is not what to do, or it's not knowing a desire to do, but it's knowing what to do, how to go about doing it.
We've tried to bring the glamour to you in your homes. I've got some lippy on and my best frock on, and Luke has done his best.
We are facing a unique moment in history together. 7.8 billion of us facing a collective challenge and reminding us of just how fragile are our social, political and economic systems, especially in the face of nature.
We know we'll make progress, but as a business, we know we can lead our sector, but to be successful, really the whole sector needs to come with us.
I mean, do the work. It's not waiting until 2040, 2045, 2050. That is not an emergency position. It may be scary, but it's what we have to do.
Those conversations are happening more often now. Never used to happen before. People used to shy away from this.
Just fix it. Just gotta fix it.
Amazingly inspiring, and I think that goes for the whole of the 3 days, to be honest.
I'm feeling fired up.
I'd like to thank all of our sponsors and partners, of course, who made this event possible. So thanks again, thanks Solly, and goodbye.